Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see State Board, Class 8, Subject Science, Chapter number 12, Introduction to Acid and Base. And this is the part 2 for the chapter number 12. In a part 1 already we have discussed about the acid, their properties, their uses. In this particular video, we are going to talk about base or the alkali substances. When we talk about these alkali substances, if we mix them in a water and make a solution of it, then they dissociate and gives us a hydroxide ion. If you remember, then in our first video already we have discussed about that hydrogen plus we are gaining, or the hydrogen ion we are gaining when acids are dissociating. But when we talk about the alkali or the base, in that we are getting OH minus or the hydroxide ion on the dissociation of the alkali or the base substances. Now here the various example they have taken as a sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and the ammonium hydroxide. Further, when we talk about this particular alkali, they are very useful. And name of alkalis they have given, their formulas and the use. The first one they have taken as a sodium hydroxide or the caustic soda. In that we have the NaOH as a formula and it is used in a washing soap. Second one they have given as a potassium hydroxide or the potash, KOH, which is used in the soap or the shampoo. Then the third one they have given as a calcium hydroxide or the lime water, CaOH twice, and it is used in a whitewashing or the lime. Then the magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia also we are calling it, that is MgOH twice, and it is used in the acidity resistant medicines, which in general we call as antacids. Then fifth one is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, for production of fertilizers. Now when we go towards the properties of the alkalis has bitter taste, they are slippery. Alkali contains hydroxide as a main constituent, and metal oxides are generally alkaline in nature. Further is neutralization. Neutralization is nothing but the reaction in the chemical field where acids and bases are reacting together and neutralizing each other's characteristic. And after the neutralization of acid and a base, they are producing salt and water. So this particular chemical reaction where acid and bases are reacting together and forming a salt and water is called as a neutralization. So that reaction is called as a neutralization reaction. We have already seen that acid contain H plus ion or the hydrogen ion, and alkali contains OH minus ion. So this H plus and OH minus, H plus and OH minus, these two are combining together and forming H2O, which is nothing but the water. So this particular reaction is called as the neutralization reaction. Further, they have given a little more information. Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, and it helps to ease digestion process. Whatever we eat, to digest that, this acid is present in the stomach. However, excessive acid leads to indigestion, and antacids are used to control this hyperacidity. This medicine contains milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is alkali or basic in nature, so that neutralizes the excess amount of acid present in the stomach. Such alkaline medicine neutralizes excess acid present in stomach. The acidity of a soil increases due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Under the guidance of agriculturists, limestone or lime water is mixed in the acidic soil. Such alkaline substances neutralizes excess acid present in the soil. So this is all about this particular chapter. In the coming videos or in the Google Classroom, we will discuss about the exercise of the chapter.